Donald Trump, Presiden keri United States of America, hak arpun retrik lebar arja arpun riu. Ulaban biang ba udang don jeng keren bat keri Iran ban penkut ya kathma kabalan ne jandap Shibun watla nakaliang keri Iran kekentaj bakampat don ke jeng keren ai. Habakran hak jeng lang jogan National Republican Congressional Committee ha Washington DC, Trump ulakran ki kentien kiba dan bapoi perkat kata bagi noi lam ha Iran ki kwa ya u unlong Supreme Leader keri Iran. Dagabapen pau bau kentan, Trump ulaong ba 4 don noi lam ha kategori gi bakwa ban long clear ya keri Iran. Kani gejing kran Trump kawan ru ha padang gejing ya bun ngot ki noi lam keri Iran ha gejing hiar thma keri United States of America but Israel ha kathma kabalan ne arpo nyosngi.
Seen anything like we're doing in the Middle East with Iran, and they are negotiating, by the way, and they want to make a deal so badly, but they're afraid to say it because they figure they'll be killed by their own people. They're also afraid they'll be killed by us. There's never been a head of a country that wanted that job less than being the head of Iran. I don't want it. We listen to some of the things they say. We hear them very clearly. They say, I don't want it. We'd like to make you the next supreme leader. No, thank you. I don't want it. But I want to express my gratitude to the tremendous...
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya